Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isaac, and today's video I will telling you how you can install Django. Like yes, Django, like Django web framework. Django web framework. Yes, Django is web framework built with Python. That can use to build a web apps. You can have web apps. You want to build Z software, Z, any kind of stuff like that. That deals with like it's just put the post down to building a what a web application and pay that way. So I just that's just how it is in summary. So yes, in just a short shortest time ever, I will tell you how you can install Django on your Windows PC. So I what you're seeing on my screen is a VS Code that I have opened already, and this is how I'm posting. This is how I'll be putting more YouTube videos. This is how I'll be putting more YouTube projects I'm working on. So I'll be any project I work on that is just for YouTube. I'll posting it here on this directory. So yes, I have this VS Code installed on my PC. That's just first requirement for it to work, get Django on your PC. So when you have VS Code installed already and Git Bash also. Obviously, yeah, I'm using Git Bash as my terminal UI. So terminal command line. So when you have Git Bash installed and VS Code installed, you are good to go with the word with this video. So yeah, the first step in setting your PC up and running with Django is just to install Python. The major requirement you have is to get Python installed on your PC. That's just the requirement. So that's just the only requirement. When you have that installed on your PC, like Python installed, this is how you check if your Python is on your PC. Use the I have Python installed on my PC, and which is what the 3.10.9 version of what Python installed. So that's just how it is for now. And when you're done, I think, sorry, when you have Python installed already, you're moving to what? That was just the step. You're moving to the second step, which is what? Getting your what? The virtual environment. Yes. Let me explain virtual environment. Virtual environment is like a simple room, like a little room where you have the packages installed, or where you have packages installed, when you have packages inside inside the room, and any requirement. Assuming I have a project I'm working on that's related to web apps or weather tracker, weather tracker, any packages that will make my weather tracker a successful one will put inside that room of what virtual environment. Let me put it that way. Virtual environment is just a room where I have all the packages, all the dependencies installed. So any dependencies my web application will depend on will be installed inside the virtual environment. So let me put it that way. So this is how you create your own custom virtual environment. This is the command you use to install a virtual environment. This is the first virtual env. That's just the command line you type space and the name of the virtual environment name you want to give to what virtual environments. And I've named my own Veda env. So it's just within a few seconds you get to what virtual environment installed on your PC. You can see it obviously installing on my PC, and yes, I'll click yes. When it's done installation, when it's done installing, like go into the third step, which is what installing Django. So it's just very easy. Like it's just like the shortest time ever to get what. Can you see? It's obvious. I'm done installing and done downloading what virtual environment. So I want to activate this virtual environment because inside this virtual environment I have my Django installed. I have any other dependencies I want to be used in what my weather app project to be installed. So well, can you see? I'm inside my virtual environment already and it's already active. So the obvious reasons for you to know if your virtual environment you installed already is active or not is what I'm highlighted here on your screen for you. So when you see that kind of stuff on your on your command line interface, that means your virtual environment is active and it's installed. So let me play this previous command I've typed, and this the little what command you need to type in your PC to what install Django web framework in your PC. Can you see? So by typing this command, I'll be getting the latest version of Django on my PC. So don't mind the way I speak. So I think, wow, that's cool. I'm installing Django on my virtual environment. Yes, my virtual environment called Weather INV. So next few seconds, everything will be up and running. with Django, you can try to create a little project, whether app project, inside whether app project you have some applications. And don't worry about what I'm saying so far. If it looks blunt to you or looks weird with you, I'll be creating more basic basic web applications, creating more advanced web applications on your this same channel. So thank God we have our Django installed already. Let's see how we can know if this Django is installed on my PC. You're looking at what I have on my screen. This is just command line for getting your what. We've have our Django installed on our virtual remote already, and this is just command line you have to type on your what your command line interface to what to set up what is Django project. Can you see Django dash admin space start project, and I name my project. I name my project. I name my project weather project and what